started. Per Senate Bill 2095, Mississippi Department of Revenue is responsible for the licensing, regulation, and enforcement of medical cannabis dispensaries. Did you know the dispensary regulations are available on our website right now at www.dor.ms.gov/cannabis? Be sure to review these before applying for a dispensary license. Our ABC Enforcement Permitting Division will handle all licensing through an electronic system in collaboration with the Mississippi State Department of Health. You can reach them at ABC Permit Department at dor.ms.gov. Beginning July 2022, licenses will be issued within 30 days of receiving a completed application. As a part of the application process, approved applications will move forward to licensure. Rejected applications, you're missing something. You will have another opportunity to resubmit your application. A denied application is final and cannot be resubmitted. Where do I begin? First, there is a $40,000 initial year fee for dispensaries due at the time of submission. $15,000 for the application fee, $25,000 for the licensing fee, for a total of $40,000. Applications cannot be submitted without paying this fee. We accept two forms of payment, credit card and ACH debit. If you plan to pay by ACH debit, allow a processing time of at least 7 to 10 business days. Next, let's acquire a location. Where can a dispensary be located? A dispensary can be located within any city or county that has not opted out. A dispensary opt-out map is available on our website at www.dor.ms.gov/cannabis. For more specific information on location, be sure to review the dispensary regulations on our website. When acquiring a location, consider the distance requirements. You cannot be located within 500 feet of a church, school, or child care facility under any circumstances. If the dispensary's main entry point is located within 1,000 feet of the nearest property boundary line of a church, school, or child care facility, but more than 500 feet, you will need a distance waiver form signed by the church, school, or child care facility administrator. In addition to these forms, each owner officer will need to also submit a background check affidavit form. You can find these forms located on our website at www.dor.ms.gov/cannabis. There is an additional distance requirement that dispensaries cannot be located within 1,500 feet of another licensed dispensary. Mississippi Department of Revenue will review all completed applications in the order in which they are received. Once you have secured a location, obtain any city or county permits if applicable. Make sure you do not have any outstanding debt with the Mississippi Department of Revenue. If you need to check on this, you may contact our customer service department via phone or email. Phone number 601-923-7700 or by email at dorcustserv@dor.ms.gov. If you are not operating as a sole owner, you will need to register with the Mississippi Secretary of State. This is a requirement for the dispensary application. You cannot submit a dispensary application without your Secretary of State ID. You will also need to register for a sales tax permit before you register for a dispensary license. The license application requires a valid sales tax permit number for the location that will be selling medical cannabis. You cannot submit a dispensary application without a valid sales tax permit number. There is a 3-week processing time for all applicants. Mississippi Department of Revenue has uploaded a checklist for items that will also need to be included in the application. You may download a copy from our website. One more thing, dispensaries will be required to remit the standard 7% sales tax for selling medical cannabis. So, are you ready?